How to fix Microsoft Store not opening. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply right click onto it. Then you want to simply tap on Task Manager. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Processes tab and look for Microsoft Store. If you see anything related to Microsoft Store, right click onto it, then tap on End Task. Once done, you can try opening Microsoft Store again to see if the issue is fixed. If that didn't work, you want to go ahead and simply search for settings in the search bar. Open it up. Then inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this tree line and then select System. Inside System, you want to go ahead and simply find System Components. Then tap onto it. Now, locate Microsoft Store. Then you want to go ahead and simply tap on this three-dot icon. Then select Advanced option. Now scroll down and then click on Terminate. And then select Repair. Wait for the process to complete and then try opening the app again. If it's still not working in the same page, you can simply tap on Reset. And just like that, confirm your choice and wait for reset process to finish. This will restore the app to its default state and often fixes the issue. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.